If you're watching this video, it is because you want to find a way to make money online while being less than 18 and attending school full time. So this is the video I would like to have watched when I was in the same situation as you. Willing to work hard but being frustrated at the fact that I am not old enough to do so, which as you will now see isn't that of a strong restriction. Hi, my name is Mario and I am a 16-year-old A-level student from Spain. In this video, I'm gonna go through all the ways through which I make some money at the end of every month through the internet, so that you can see that making money as a teenager is easier and more normal than you think. And hopefully after watching this video, you are able to start your own thing and make money online. So let's go right into the video. So before anything else, you have to know two things. That money is an exchange of value. So you need to be able to offer value in some way or another through a skill or knowledge in a particular area, so that people are willing to give you money in exchange for the value you're offering. Now that we know that we need to add some value in order to get money in exchange, you have to know that there are three different ways in order to make money online: services, products, and awareness. Straightforward enough, isn't it? I have personally only tried two of them, as selling your own products is probably the most difficult thing to get started with, as you need to put an initial investment and to work really hard in order to make it happen and make some profit. Therefore, I'm just going to talk to you about how I make money online at 16 through services and awareness. So let's start with services. I recommend using Fiverr as a marketplace to sell your own services, as there is a potential market for basically anything you can think of. In case you think you have no skills at all, which you probably do have, I recommend you to search and to try to learn something you're interested in, a skill that you feel is valuable, and go to the internet and to YouTube and get all the learning you can from it. Then you can create your service and offer your knowledge in exchange for money. You'll get really amazed by how much you can learn from the internet for free. So here's my story with Fiverr. I got started on Fiverr on summer 2019 and started doing some services on digital marketing and video editing. And by December of that same year, I was already making 83 euros that month, which is approximately £97.76 for doing only Fiverr orders, which obviously is quite good. Obviously, I was very lucky, as my services were seen by lots of people, and that's especially difficult in Fiverr, as there's huge competition for basically any given niche. Nevertheless, making this money required me some time going through each and every of the orders. And that's the negative part of offering services, that you are paid per order completed. In other words, you are basically selling your time for money. And the problem of that is that your time is actually pretty limited, especially if you're a full-time student. So selling services is probably the best and easiest way to get started making money online. Still, I wanted to create something that would give me some money every single month without having to directly put the time into it. So that on those months that I was very busy with school, with exams, I could still make some money at the end of the month. With the hope of doing something that could be a reliable and scalable source of income, I created an account in what I thought was the fastest growing social media platform, and as you may have guessed, that's TikTok. And here's where awareness comes onto the video. So in December 2019, I started my TikTok account based on a basketball player. It's called Luka Doncic. This account got 10k followers and around 1 million views in just 1 week. Once again, I was very lucky. And after creating and posting content consistently on TikTok every single day, after 9 months, I am able to say that I have a 200k follower account with 3.5 million likes. You may now think that I made lots of money from this due to the big numbers involved. However, I made less than $1 after 9 months of constantly uploading content. I could have obviously made some money from selling advertisements, but I thought that I should not make a move until I found the right company. In just a few weeks, I will be collaborating with this company that sells products that are in the same niche of my account. So I'm very excited about that, and I will be making some money from commission. So That's actually pretty good. The good thing of awareness is that once you grow a following, you have the power of attention. And every company out there is trying to generate some attention. So they obviously will give you some money in exchange for the awareness you generate. And this leads me to the next way through which I make money online, and that's by creating online classes on Skillshare. Once again, money is an exchange of value. So you need to offer value so that people are interested in what you're saying and so they really get benefited from this. In my case, as I have a decent following on TikTok, I made a class on Skillshare on how to grow on TikTok. It now has around 30 students, which isn't really that much, but for not having an audience and for being my first course on Skillshare, I am very excited to have 30 people that have watched it and probably may have benefited from it. But yeah, the important thing is that although it doesn't give me lots of money every single month, it does give me some, which I really appreciate. So yeah, that's amazing. So as you see, you need to have some skills in order to make things work. In my case, I know some digital marketing and video editing skills that I can offer as a service, or I can use in order to create content on different platforms. If there's one thing I want you to take from this video, it is that making money online as a teenager is possible. It is completely possible. However, there isn't an easy way to do so. You have to try as many things as you can, work really hard and try all the things you can until you find something which you see, oh, I have some lag in here. I have to go hard because I have seen that I have an unfair advantage over my competition. Anyways, if this video has been helpful to you, I would really appreciate if you could hit the thumbs up so that YouTube knows that this video is kind of worth showing to more people. And if you're watching this far in the video, I also recommend you subscribe. I upload videos every 2 weeks. So yeah, so that you get notified when I upload my future videos. And I hope you guys the best of luck in your journey into making money online. You have to try lots of things, you have to work really hard, but I think you'll be able to do it. So yeah, once again, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.